Hi everyone, my name's Matthew Merkley. I've been with the company for about 10 years. I'm head of the design department, and I want to address some issues that we've had with miscommunication on projects and hopefully propose a way that we can centralize our information and get rid of some of these problems that we've had. And that solution that I'm proposing is a notebook. A notebook has sections in it, and you can see the sections that I've created here with some post-it notes, and each section would have notes in it pertaining to the start of a project, the middle of a project, deadlines, contacts, all of that information that we need frequently for a project. And what I'm proposing is this is going to have all of my notes in it, and then I'm going to share this notebook with everyone and allow them to write their notes in it, put their pictures in it, and share this information with everyone so that everyone has one source of information for everything. Now, of course, the notebook that I'm going to propose is not a physical notebook. It's going to be a digital notebook. And what the program that I want to use is called OneNote. OneNote is very similar to Word and Excel that you already know how to use, and it allows us to share notes between each other. And what I want to do is go ahead and show you how the program works. And let me just shrink myself here. Okay. So you can see a mock notebook that I've created here, and we can create as many notebooks as we need for each project. So essentially we're creating one of these for each project. And you can see up here at the top that we have our sections. So I have my preparation section, I've got milestones, I've got updates, question, contacts, and then I've got the standard OneNote welcome message, which you can ignore. And in each section, you can see over here on the right that I have pages for everything. So I filled in some mock information here. So we've got measurements. I frequently need measurements, and I get measurements from architects and other people that send me information that I need. So here's something that I've uploaded, and everyone can access this. If someone wants to double check my measurements, here it is. I can create to-do lists. And these to-do lists can be for me or for anyone. I can assign those to anyone. The great thing about OneNote is I can write anywhere on this page and make notes wherever I want. Now, it will take like a project manager to be able to facilitate these notebooks and make sure that they stay organized and make sure that people are putting information in the right place. And I see that being a big advantage to any project that we're working on. You can upload photos to it. If you currently use Dropbox or another online service, you can continue to use that just as long as you link it here in the program and make it so that everyone has access to those photos. You can see here my milestones. I've got deadlines set. Of course, these are just mock deadlines. In my updates, if management wants to be involved in how the process works, we can have weekly updates that they can view each week. And you can see here on the right I've got May 16th and then May 23rd, and so that would just continue to fill up until the end of the project. I've got a section for questions. If somebody needs something, they can put a question in here and we'll be able to respond to it. The idea behind OneNote is that it seamlessly works with whatever you're doing already. If you use Word or Excel, this works right alongside with it. The great thing is I can share it, and you can see up here in the top right corner I can get a sharing link, and I can do a view and edit link, or I can just do a view only depending on who I'm sending it to. I can copy that link, and then you can see here I'll add that to my URL. I don't have to be a subscriber to Microsoft's programs. This is completely free, and anyone can get that link and open it up and make edits to the notebooks. And you can see here all of the same information is here. In my contacts, I've got all of the team contacts in one section, and that can be updated as we add people. So you can see what a very powerful tool this could be and how useful it would be if we could share it with everyone. And I hope that this will alleviate some of the stress that we've had, some of the miscommunication that we've had, and you will use this program in line with what you're already using. The one thing that you need to do is make sure that you notify, if you have a question, notify whoever you're posting that question to via email, text, or a phone call. The thing that OneNote does great is it keeps all your notes in one place, but it doesn't notify others that you've made a note. So unless people are continually monitoring OneNote, then they won't know that you've made an update. So I hope that this will help clear up any confusion that you've had. If anyone has any further questions or needs me to help walk them through this process, give me a call or send me an email. I'm happy to help, and thank you very much for your time.